Disclaimer, if you believe you'll gain any valuable knowledge from this video, you are mistaken, and we advise you not to follow any of our instructions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we're here to present you with
a step-by-step guide on how to
make a bad short film. Okay, and then after
is the title screen going on now?
Yeah, it's like white over black, you know?
On the next clip or this
No, it's supposed to like slide in. It's like sliding.
Do you think we should have introduced our names?
You were supposed to wait after we talked.
What?
Like,
but no,
after we're supposed to take a few seconds to like stop.
But now the title screen now, right?
Okay,
the
well now we're gonna have to like cut it though. Now we're gonna have to cut the clip where you started talking. Step number 1, borrow a story idea from a film no one's ever heard of before.
Okay, I'm recording.
They won't mind, right?
Nah.
Nah.
Don't storyboard, just wing it.
Number 3, hire a crew with absolutely no remote experience.
So, just making sure here, you have no experience whatsoever, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're hired.
Step 4, hire actors who have been rejected from every role they've ever applied for.
Or better yet, hire random strangers. People love seeing themselves on TV.
Hi, so you've been rejected from 27 different acting agencies?
34 actually.
Welcome aboard.
Film at an inaccessible location. The less public, the better.
Oh, and also, there should be no script.
No!
Wait, what's my line?
It doesn't matter, just keep going.
Film with whatever angles and whatever lighting you want. It's not that important.
Okay, that's a wrap, everyone.
Woo!
Woo!
It was so fun working with you all.
Leave the editing to the night before. That's plenty of time.
And most importantly, turn it in late. No one's in a rush.
Wanna play Hangman?
I think the deadline was yesterday.
Oh.
All right, folks, that's all the advice we have for you today. Thanks for tuning in.
We hope this advice was the very least beneficial for future aspiring directors.